Inside the house. Inside the house, inside the house. When LP comes up to speak, you gotta show anger, gotta dig real deep. Not just noise, not just fake display. Truth needs fire when the system looks away. Talking LP in the assembly hall, anger in the voice, yeah we stand tall. Illegal code theft, daylight crime, hands race together but they sell their spine. IOP was signed back in 2009, 60 names on paper, the proof was fine. But this government acts like it's all a joke, turning sons of the soil into cheap smoke. Every season they fly out, Delhi calls, meet a Mitch, Shami, PM, Morty and halls, chasing packages, money and stacks, but questions of the state, they never come back. Opposition or ruling, they all sit the same, tables and chairs, different beds, same game. When the boss starts talking, they nod their head, don't know if it's truth or lies being fed. Every season they fly out, Delhi calls, meet a Mitch, Shami, PM, Morty and halls, chasing packages, money and stacks, but questions of the state, they never come back. Opposition they fly out, Delhi calls, meet a Mitch, Shami, PM, Morty and halls, chasing packages, money and stacks, but questions of the state, they never come back. We point the finger at this broken rule, the boss replies angry, loud and cruel, like an actor fresh from a madras screen, showing rage but the meaning's unseen. Opposition never gets room to stand, gets slapped down hard, silenced by hand. Is he fit to lead this land we own? Narrow minds in the assembly shown, clear as daylight. He wants the fame, wants the wealth, wants the personal gain, quick to blame others, slow to reflect. Government mistakes he'll never correct. Is there still sense left to choose a voice, a true representative, a real choice? But the ruling side shuts every door, truth can't breathe on assembly floor. Every season they fly out, Delhi calls, meet a Mitch, Shami, PM, Modi and halls, chasing packages, money in stacks, but questions of the state, they never come back. Every season they fly out, Delhi calls, meet a Mitch, Shami, PM, Modi and halls, chasing packages, money in stacks, but questions of the state, they never come back. Sad for leaders who praise what's wrong, calling poison sweet all along. We the people can't sleep anymore. Wake up, stand up, that's the core. A wise leader listens when advice is said, doesn't fight with tongue, doesn't lose his head. No finger pointing, no ego fight. Truth is truth, wrong is not right. Party Osra doesn't change the fact, accept what's right, reject what's cracked, but opposing voices get pushed aside. That's the rule of a system driven by pride. IOP is life, not a rap refrain. This is the people speaking through pain. But never